back to the Galley of the Sun. So today we're gonna make bourbon chicken. Now, I understand that bourbon chicken is chicken that's made or served on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. Really doesn't take bourbon. Ours does. So let's get it going. First thing I need to do is dice up some chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now, all the amounts are down in the description. However, once again, I am feeding a horde here at the Galley of the Sun, so I'm doubling this recipe. So I've got a couple packages of chicken thighs, and I have a package of chicken breast. All that's going in bite-sized chunks. All right, so we got the chicken all diced up. The director is mincing some garlic for me over there. Now, into our chicken goes a salt and pepper mixture. And as I said, the amounts are down in the description, but I'm doing a double here. Okay, so we got the salt and pepper in there. We're gonna toss that chicken and then set it aside and get the sauce going. All right, now we get the sauce together. First of all, veggie oil. Got that? Now, honey. For the amount I'm making, I need about 1/3 of this container. Soy sauce. Bourbon. And ketchup. I'm using Red Duck smoked ketchup because that's how we roll. All right, so we get that sauce all mixed up, and the hard part is done. I have over here one finely minced sweet onion. The director was nice enough to get us fresh garlic instead of using this stuff. I've got several cloves. Like I said, I'm doubling this recipe, so I'm not going to tell you amounts here and mess you up. Several cloves of minced garlic to go in. All right, that's mixed up. Now we put it all together. All right, now into the Instant Pot. And I'm using my Ninja Foodi 14-in-1 SmartLid and then a bunch of other words. Chicken goes in. Onions. Garlica. Some red pepper flakes. And the sauce. Because we're experienced cooks and no experienced cook has ever left an ingredient out of a meal, we do the quick scan. Everything I see here is in there. Now we can stir. Now we close the lid, lock it. Make sure our vent hoobie-doobie is on seal. Turn our machine on. We're going to cook this at high pressure for 30 minutes and then give it a 10-minute natural release. Now it's all done but the waiting because the director's been nice enough to get the rice started in my other foodie. Why are they not right next to each other? Well, we've edited that out of previous episodes, but more than once. I've tried to run both of them at the same time right here. No worky. Okay, everything's done. I'm just waiting on this Instant Pot to release the pressure. But if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that like button. Do you cook bourbon chicken different? And you probably do, because most people don't put actual bourbon in it. Leave it down in the comments. Let us know. Do you want to not miss an episode? You don't want to miss an episode. Then hit that subscribe button. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
All right, the moment of truth. I know this is hotter than the surface of the sun. It's got that bourbon chicken flavor you expect, and that cup of bourbon really added something to it. So You'll definitely want to give this a try. Thank you so much for joining us. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.